everyone, today I'm so excited to introduce the BSLBATT Li-Pro Series.
51.2 voltage multi-solar battery built for modern home energy storage.
Just look at this sleek wall-mounting design. It's compact and really easy to install.
With IP65 waterproof and dustproof, you can play it indoors, outdoors, in your garage or balcony. It works reliably in all environments.
Inside, it uses A-grade battery cells.
Safer, more stable, and eco-friendly. It has a built-in recharge resistor and smart BMS protection for safe charging and discharging every time. This battery supports 1C continuous discharge, supplying strong and stable power for your whole family.
And it supports over 8,000 cycles with a 10-year warranty, giving you long-lasting and trustworthy energy security. One battery powers one home.
We have 5 kWh, 10 kWh, and 16 kWh modules to fit any home.
The modular design supports parallel connection, so you can expand easily when you need more power. It is also compatible with most mainstream inverters, so installation is simple for new system or retrofits.
Li-Pro is safe, durable, powerful, and flexible.
It stores solar energy efficiently and cuts your electricity bill. Choose BSLBATT Li-Pro Smarter Energy Storage for better life.